Crohn's disease is an inflammatory gut condition. A proper eating routine is essential for individuals with this illness. Your diet can cause flare-ups and worsen your condition. It can also cause some drawn-out inconveniences for the patient. There is no healing diet for Crohn's. However, numerous food sources can lessen the side effects of the disease. In this video on parshealthhtv, we've gathered a list of 8 foods to avoid if you suffer from this problem. Stay tuned with us. Number 8. Whole grains. The high amount of fiber in food sources like whole grain bread, whole wheat pasta, popcorn, and wheat can cause a great deal of traffic through the gastrointestinal tract. That can bother somebody encountering an infection flare. Number 7. High fiber foods. Certain individuals figure out they can't eat vegetables with Crohn's, which is wrong. Yet, you truly do need to be cautious during a flare. Furthermore, keep away from products of the soil with peel and seeds. For example, many individuals observe that bananas or canned pears are more delicate than an apple or bowl of raspberries. Additionally, avoid gassy veggies like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. They're high in fiber and gas delivering. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Seeds can also unleash ruin on your stomach, assuming that you have Crohn's disease. While going through the gastrointestinal system, seeds don't get completely processed. Along these, they can once in a while prompt deteriorated loose bowels when you're going through a Crohn's flare. Food sources you might need to keep away from include those with a ton of seeds, like raspberries, strawberries, tomatoes, chia, and flax seeds. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Number 5. Fizzy drinks and caffeine. Fizzy drinks can be disturbing to anybody's GI tract, particularly individuals who are, as of now, encountering stomach side effects. That goes for a wide range of beverages. Lager, wine, and alcohol are not incredible decisions, assuming that is no joke. Caffeine, as well, can be an issue. Caffeine expands the wave-like movement of the GI tract. Assuming you will generally have the runs with your Crohn's flare, caffeine isn't your friend. Number 4. Sugars. Sweet beverages like organic product juice and lemonade can again cause more runs while you're having a flare-up. Artificial sweeteners are likewise an issue. These are sugars utilized in sugarless gum, sweets, and a few beverages. They go by names like xylitol, sorbitol, and maltitol, which are recorded on the ingredient list. In many individuals, these substances are ineffectively incorporated, which can cause gas, bulging, and looseness of the bowels. Number 3. Dairy. In the event that you have Crohn's disease, it's normal to also be lactose intolerant. That means you don't process enough lactose, the sugar tracked down in milk, cheddar, and other dairy items. Therefore, you might have side effects, for example, cramming, swelling, the runs, and gas, says Gina Jarman-Slope, PhD, RD, an academic partner of sustenance at Texas Christian College in Stronghold Worth. Dairy products are a proper abundance of calcium, vitamin D, and protein, so if you totally keep away from these food sources, you should get these supplements somewhere else, she says. To limit Crohn's side effects while remaining sound, have a go at getting these supplements from dark leafy green vegetables, fortified juices, or grains. Number 2. Spicy foods. Chances are, you will not be enticed to go after the spicy sauce, assuming you have Crohn's side effects. Many people who have a flare aren't eating fiery bean stew or burritos. Flavors like bean stew powder, cayenne pepper, and spicy curries can add intensity to a burning GI tract. At the point when your Crohn's side effects are in overdrive, hot food varieties might bring about much more suffering for you. In any case, this is not the same as person to person. So it's essential to recognize those food sources that are or alternately are not endured. Assuming you find specific flavors disturbing during a Crohn's flare, gentle spices and modest quantities of citrus juices for preparing can give flavor in their place. Number 1. Greasy food. For individuals with Crohn's disease, the fat in food varieties like broiled chicken, French fries, fatty sauces, and creams is much of the time not completely assimilated in the small digestive tract. This thusly prompts Crohn's side effects like nausea or diarrhea. As opposed to seared and oily food sources, pick food varieties that are heated, cooked, or steamed for your eating routine for Crohn's. Be that as it may, fat ought to possibly be confined, assuming that you're encountering greasy stools. Keeping away from unhealthy food through and through is also a proper guideline. This is actually the very counsel that applies to everyone. Keep away from inexpensive food, handled meats, refined sugars, and additives. Attempt to have a proper eating routine. A healthy Crohn's disease diet. Not every person with Crohn's disease has similar food triggers, Taylor says, so you could have to do a sleuthing to sort out what works, and doesn't work, for you. Have a go at keeping a food diary, writing down what you ate and any side effects you notice, to search for hints about the food varieties that make your stomach sad. At the point when you do not have side effects, however, attempt to eat a good eating regimen. You would rather not consistently disregard quality food varieties like entire grains, veggies, or beans. Lack of healthy sustenance can be an issue for individuals with Crohn's condition, so just stay away from these food varieties during a flare-up. Dealing with this long-lasting disease can be a test, and a dietitian can assist you with dealing with your eating regimen. Crohn's is different for each individual, so work with somebody who can assist you with planning an individualized arrangement. Assuming that you have a dietitian in your corner, they'll be accessible so that when you have an issue, they can guide you on the correct path. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.